Hey, welcome back. Today we have another Ford Ranger video. Actually, we're gonna have two Ford Rangers. I'm going to meet up with Dan in a minute. He has his that he's working on. I just got my new headlights in that I ordered, and we're about to customize them. Let's get into it. Quick stop at 7-Eleven to grab some drinks for me and Dan. Alright, and we are back on the road. Excuse me, your trunk is fully open. I honestly don't think that lady has a single clue that her trunk is open. Alright, let's give Dan a call and let him know we're here. Yo, I just pulled up.
Okay, come to the side door, Leon.
Okay. What's up?
What's up, yo?
What we got going on over here?
A 90s shit box. Mint. So mint.
Solid.
Pretty sure there are cans empty White Claw in the back. Oh! We found this from the mechanic. Where'd it go? Hey!
Nice. So what else are you doing to it? What else do you have?
Right now I'm just stripping the paint off. Like, here I got most of it. But it's not even paint. It's some dipshit used like the AutoZone bed liner and did a really bad job.
Really?
So, I'm getting that off. I got a new truck bed on the way. Got new doors already on this thing.
I wonder where those came from.
Same place I got the truck bed.
Are they delivering it or are you picking it up?
No, they're delivering it. I got a back window too, because for some reason it's a great idea to just bed liner your back window too. But other than that, I mean, just need bumpers and I'm good.
Nice.
Oh, I'm getting a lift kit for it.
Are you?
I have to.
You're gonna lift it?
So this wicked camber we have in the front can't be fixed because the guy cut the springs on the front. And the control arm can't go out far enough to straighten the wheel. So I'm just gonna lift the truck. Fuck it.
Fair enough.
It's like, I think $200 for the kit. Not too bad.
So now you get two Ranger projects.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna be helping Dan out for most.
But this one needs a lot more work than yours. Here's the beauty of having a Ford Ranger.
Ford Ranger things, bro. Hold on.
Fuck that shopping cart! You ain't shit, little man. You ain't shit.
Alright, so we had to go run out, pick up some bulbs for the headlights because I forgot to do that the other day. We also stopped to grab some food. Got some jerk chicken. You know, Dan had a little accident already.
I fed my people. The rats will get that.
Now it's finally time to start putting these headlights together. Alright, so I'm about to open up the headlight casing. I'm going to use a heat gun instead of using an oven. I got these lights off Amazon. They are sequential LEDs. So I'm going to throw those up in here. Make them look like the newer Ford headlights.
I'm gonna give you all a quick hint. Tristan actually knows how to wire this shit and it comes out good. So, I don't know, you were an electrician, right?
Yes, it was.
Yeah, this fucking guy knows what he's doing. My windows were stuck in the down position and this man's got them up. They're not even wired up. I don't know what he did, but they're up. So.
You could say I slightly know what I'm doing.
Yeah, he did touch wires on the passenger side at some point and the driver's side went down. But I'm gonna blame the truck for that, because you have no idea what's going on with this thing.
I don't think anybody can figure out what that guy that had this truck.
I don't think he even knew. I think he just ran wires and prayed. Speaking of prayer, hold on. Let's get a quick opinion here. If this fell out of your door what would you do? All right? I got doors from a junkyard. Hold on, let me put that. These beautiful, brand new bird shit covered doors. This came out of the interior panel. I feel like this has to stay with the truck because it's covered with the same bird shit and everything, but like, it's a part of this. And I feel like if I don't keep this with the truck, I'm gonna die like they did in Final Destination.
What was that? What just slid off the front? Tell me it was. Oh, it wasn't.
I'm sorry, bro. It's only worth 98 cents now.
It's okay. It wasn't open. We're good.
Ford fucking Ranger, ladies and gents.
Back to work. Alright, so the headlights are all done being built. I have both of them pretty much done. I'm waiting on one of them to dry. So while we're waiting on that one to dry, I'm going to start installing the first one. Alright, so I have one headlight hooked up now. I'm gonna hook up the daytime running lights to the fog light so that I can switch them on, and then I'm gonna take the wire from the fog light that connects to the blinker and hook it up to the yellow wire on the LED strip, which will trigger the sequential blinker.
Oh, now it's on. Okay, cool.
So the green one is the blinker.
That on the outside was the one.
Yeah, the green one's the blinker, the black is black, and then the brown is red.
The brown is red?
Brown is red.
Listen, I'm colorblind as is, Tristan. You're fucking me up.
Alright, let's go do a quick little test. Make sure everything works the right way. Okay, so Dan is gonna show you what's going on. Alright, fog lights.
Yeah.
Headlights.
Yeah.
Okay, back to fog lights.
Yeah.
Blinker.
No. Yeah.
Blinker. Okay. Okay, I turned on the hazards because the car's not on. But it's all good over there?
All's good.
All right, go. All right, so this side's good. We're gonna finish putting this side together and then do the other side. All right, so those are the custom headlights. If you like the video, drop a like, hit that subscribe button, put on my post notifications. We got a bunch of new stuff coming for the Ranger soon, so stay tuned, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.